already had shit like this.
Dude, that's fun as dude.
Once it hooks, it's pretty fun.
It's so rowdy, man. That's so cool. Dude, you can literally feel everything in that. Everything.
I bet it tries to kill you.
Oh, shit.
You ready for some Chick-fil-A now?
Dude, that thing's so fun, dude. You gotta build a Honda now.
We're piling in here?
Pile in this thing?
Bro, thank you,
Get
brother.
food?
You don't even realize it's that fast once it gets, once it goes all the way up, that's whenever you feel it.
Still get gapped, fool. This thing is
Little pulsar.
a weak turbo. Bro,
I'll
this
see
thing's,
in a bit.
bro, this thing's fun, man.
Oh, that's, oh, there we go. Sorry.
The violin went after.
Oh, dude, there's enough room. Come on, Nick. Let's go eat.
Okay, as long as somebody brought their wallet, because it's in my car.
Definitely on his side. He's fat. That's me.
Is it scraping?
This thing is like full race car.
Yeah. So I do have to get it retuned. It was like different altitude. This one's up north. So the tune's a little off. But other than that, it's great.
Yeah. Oh, it has no AC?
It's a race car, man.
How do you know if it's overheating? You don't? It blows up.
Blows up. Well, my other Honda, I do have a screen, but this one, not yet. Truck is getting tuned right now, and the RSX is getting fabrication for the supercharger. So everything's moving.
Get an engine light? No, it don't mean nothing. He ignores those things. That's not important. It's on solid motor mounts, huh? Yeah, you can feel it.
I feel like now that I have the EK and the EG, like it's like, I'm done.
This man's got like 3 Hondas and a truck that decimates all.
I got 4.
4, even worse. You can't keep up. Just shred a tire before we get back to the job.
I'm trying to drive like calm to rush some traffic.
How are y'all doing? Cooking, but we're good.
Hot.
Yeah, you know, race fuel and 100-degree heat. We're fine. Why are we smoking?
She's smoking.
I think it's overheating a little bit.
Definitely. Fluid.
No, I'm glad I'm in a car full of mechanics. So the car's still good. I think I just sat in freaking traffic for too long. Hey, and we're at a shop. I think my fan didn't turn on.
Did those 2 plugs come undone?
Oh, there you go. You hear it?
Oh yeah.
That's what happened. That's why I was telling you we need to rewire this. We figured it out. The freaking fan wire didn't turn on. That's what happened. So we gotta fix it.
Got a little warm skis.
I'll let it cool down for a minute.
I guess I'll just sit in here and trap.
Check it out.
Yeah. So,
that fun was cut short.
yeah, you need a bolt back here on this chair.
Now it's good. Homie who built it first before I bought it. You see that?
Oh yeah.
And that's what I was trying to get fixed. So now we need to fix this. cool down in a minute. Now we're in the middle of the road. Look at Charleston's. Did I go ask him for like wire?
At least tape.
The microfiber?
Yeah, microfiber.
We've got a...
Yeah.
Well, our trip got cut. Not short. We're just at a pit stop.
Yeah, we're at a pit stop.
Yeah. Car got pissed off. Just throwing up.
I mean, it was a long time, but it really wasn't. I think it was like 6 minutes of traffic.
Felt like a long time.
Yeah.
If they got a wire connector, we'll be all right. It's this one.
Wire cripper?
Yeah.
Hey, Franz. That's why I don't buy Hondas.
Yeah, BMW wouldn't have done this.
No, we'd have made it. It'd have just grenaded.
Yeah. We'd have made the hit, but it had grenaded. See if he's got a connector.
I don't think you have to. Ghetto shit. Let's get some smaller.
I swear to God, the most hood stuff I've always done has been involved with him. Somehow.
Hey man, I bought it like this and usually we fix it and make it better, but...
You're not wrong. See, that's why you called me. That was the real reason.
Alright, now let's... Well, I wanted you guys to look at it too, and it's gonna bring up all this stuff, but hey man, it brought itself up. You need to put that song. I'm a mechanic. Don't panic.
Don't trip. With these hands, baby, I can do magic, bitch. I can fix any car. All up. Hit my line right now. If your car fucked up, don't panic. Don't trip. With these hands, baby, I can do magic, bitch. I can fix
I was not ready for all this. That's my Chick-fil-A dog.
It's like, hey, fellow mechanic here.
Fellow mechanic here. Fucked up. Yeah. We just went to Chick-fil-A and it got crazy. See, and that's the shit I wanted to fix. And the first thing I say is, and this is what gives us issues. It's funny. Gosh, it's gonna be so glazy. That spit shine.
I'm not paying you.
Well, you turn it on and drive it around to see if it... Well, yeah, and I was wondering why the freaking fan wasn't turning on too. 'Cause you could hear it usually. It's like, I can't hear it. Like with doing it with James, you know? That pool with James did some crazy shit.
Probably.
He just leaves us here.
Yeah. All right, well, get the walking, boys.
Good?
We are back, boys. And look
How
at the
many
duct tape
people-
get fixed.
How many people does it take to keep a Honda running? 2 techs, a camera guy, and a detail guy. What a combination. That sounds like a great time for a road trip.
Oh yeah.
We can fix it.
Keep you looking nice and driving right. And some duct tape.
Fix anything with duct tape.
Just to be safe.
Yeah, that seems like a good idea. I'm with you.
It's not funny, man.
We should hook up now.
Bro, we're like, this is like the sweatiest lunch I've had in so long.
Shenanigans at its finest.
Like I said, y'all have
Nope.
seatbelt?
No.
Complete waste of time. Oh, we have.
I mean, you do have it,
I don't know if you're
but
bolted in.
on the back
there
now.
definitely is back there.
Nobody's supposed to sit like that. That's a race car.
You know, that's bolted to nothing. The headliner is going to save my life. The C-pillar. See, I just...
Head over, we can just push this thing. Do a jump start.
You're not wrong.
We could jump start it. That clip's so aggressive, it's going bad.
Yeah, it's going to slam all of our faces into the back of it.
Chick-fil-A is like less than a mile. And we can't make it.
Dude, I have been driving the fuck out of this car the whole fucking week.
That's how it works, though.
It's wild, and I come with you, and then it just doesn't want to do it.
He says, hey, you want to go get lunch? Sure. We can't go get lunch.
Grenades car. Hey, with the budget now, boys, we're gonna go to McDonald's. We're the new boosted boys of Oklahoma.
Even my camera's overheating.
That's crazy.
Well, we made it.
We made it. It was like 1 mile. It took 30 minutes.
It's the longest trip to Chick-fil-A I think I've ever taken. I think that's about all that we went.
That's a good one. Good.
Remember, there's your twin, the yellow and TRD package.
Round 2.
Can we make it back without overheating?
Yes, we can.
I'm almost in, Trevor.
Ow! Shit!
Okay, we're strapped.
It's okay.
I'll go up. I'll go forward. I'll go forward. No, actually, I can't reach. I think I legit can't reach the pedal. No cup holders. That's crazy.
Got you.
All right. Back, baby.
It's so, rubs so bad.
Want the money shift, the mother. Right there in front of us is a cop. Right in front. That's crazy.
Wasn't ready for that one.
Oh, no, he's waiting too. I've been driving around. Usually you just gotta be straight, brother.
Yeah.
You gotta speed a little in front of them. Show them dominance. I'm the one with the turbo, not him.
Pointing at something.
Huh?
Pointing at something.
He said I'm smoking. Oh, I think the
Tire?
a little bit. No. Good. Ooh. Think we had, it's because when we rent it, pushed it a little too heavy.
Yeah. Now what you got?
Pull up to, you guys know Jacob from Simple Auto Styling?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's car.
Okay.
Yeah, just a little bit of tire rub. So far!
It's raw. That's
Bro,
for
why
sure.
is it higher on one side than the other? We need to fix that. God, bro. That's gonna be fire.
Talk about sparkle.
That's crazy. KDM, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Hardcore.
The car overheated, we had to pull over, then we had to fix it, but I had mechanics with me. And we found we fixed it with some duct tape. We're good. We're good. We're good.
Nothing to worry about.
We made it. Chick-fil-A, it took us like what, 30 minutes to get to Chick-fil-A? Ready? Okay. Hi. Oh my god. Hi. Sit. That's it. Sit. Okay. Down. Good boy. Give me paw. 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 Good boy. Okay. Turn. Turn. No, give me a turn. Come on. Another one. Another one. Another one. Come on. Come on. Give me another one. That's a good boy. Sit. There we go. Good job, dog. She's taught him a lot of the stuff. And then one of the wires came loose for the fan, so then it overheated on that, so we had to chill for a minute. But then with some duct tape, bro, that's all we needed.
Duct tape?
And we fixed it.
Found it, you lose it.
Yeah, today's not my day. It's fun.
Keep losing.
Oh my god, hey, homie's having too much fun. Bye, dude.
See ya.
Once I get the truck, we'll go on another Chick-fil-A trip, but hopefully it's better.
All right.
Bye.
See ya. I think we should build a hatch.
No way.
Whack.